Hello guys! For today's video, we're going to try Farinos.
I have no idea.
So we got it from Wii, and if you want to order, I'm gonna put the link in comment section. Ito siya guys, oh, and a lot of people say that this is the best bibingka since 1938. So I'm gonna microwave this. Let's see if my husband will gonna like it. Ito na yung bibingka. My husband will gonna slice it. And then we have to make it clear like a pie. Oops. Try it. I'm gonna try it too.
Yeah, you try.
Try it first.
Oh, go ahead.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
I'm not sure if it's with egg. It's yummy. How does it taste?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cake with. I'm sure there's a coconut.
Yeah, it's good. I like it.
So guys, if you want to order, I will put the link in comment section. Lagay mo lang siya sa microwave. They have instructions sa cover niya. Sarap. Paubos na guys. Oh, wala na, naubos na. So, sarap. Inuman ko lang na madaming tubig kasi matamis. Ay, hindi naman siya matamis, pero carbs. Buntis ako. Sarap. First time ko makatry nito. Bukas, itatry ko naman yung Nathaniel's Buko Pie.